select the center line from this point to this line here, escape. The same thing with the other point. From this point to this line here, select escape, select this center line, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select the center line here and make them equal. Select the orientation to the top one, select the center line from this point to this point here, escape, again center line from this point to this point here, escape, select this line, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select this line here and make them equal. Same thing with this point, escape, select the center line with the center line here, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select equal. Right, we have fully defined sketch and we're absolutely correct and perfect. Escape, select OK. Select OK, and boom. Now the only thing that is missing is to design one more component in order to stabilize the sliding jaw in straight motion. So for example, let's say that this is a sliding jaw, okay? Let's say that this is the sliding jaw and it's going to this direction. We need to keep it stable. If I don't add this new component, my sliding jaw is gonna do this thing. It's gonna play around, or it's gonna go like this or like this. We need to keep it straight. Let's see how we're gonna do this in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.